Surgical Recovery Suites software. Over the last 10 years, we have been managing the Surgical Recovery Suites process with paper and EMR, emails and spreadsheets. From the minute a patient is scheduled to that last person is paid after we receive reimbursement, it has been done through a spreadsheet and email process. Over the last several years, we've looked at different software programs that might help us facilitate that process. We know that it's a notification system in bringing all your providers together, authorizing the surgery, uploading operative reports, and the billing and collections process. Recently, I developed a program called the Surgical Recovery Suites software. Now, this software, from the minute you schedule a patient, will walk each of your staff through the entire process. From the minute that patient is scheduled, to the authorization, to collecting the money preoperatively, to uploading the operative report, to creating a bill and a collections process. Let us bring that software to your team to make your process work very smoothly.